Hello and welcome to my office online. This time around we are going to look at numbering. Okay, we are going to look at how to use number list in Microsoft Word. So let us bring a list of some items. All right, this time around I have a list of some animals. So I want to say this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 7, and it will be written here as a list. Okay, so it's pretty simple, just like you use bulletin. That is how you use this one also. So you can highlight all, then highlight the ones you want to be the ones you want to be as a list. You can highlight it, and then you come here, you choose the style you want. So it's there 1 2 3 up to 7. Alright, so you can also use something like ABC, and then you can also use something like Roman numbering, that is Roman figures, and then all these ones are also possible for you to use. Good. So but in case that you are typing an Arabic document, and then let's say you this one they are written in Arabic. Okay, so they are somewhere around here, and you want to use an Arabic list numbering, so you can do something like that. Right, it will still work for you. So let me highlight this, then I will. Okay, let me start from here. It's pretty complicated. Okay, so I think I can start from down. Let's see whether it will work. Good. All right, so there it is. Now I can say I want a new numbering, and then it will be alif to something like that. Okay, and then this time I will use alif bar and like. Good. So if I click it, there it is, alif bar jim. So if you are typing an Arabic document, I advise you to use the right to left text direction. Right, so in the case of English document, you can use left to right text direction. Okay, and then your numbering should be something like this. Okay, all right, so basically this is what we have, and I will also look at this one in our next video. And please, if you don't know how to use bullets, I want to recommend our last video for you. Thank you for watching, and then please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends, share videos with your friends, check the link and share with your friends, and then give us a thumbs up, like our video, and then comment if necessary. Goodbye.